Hi there again. So today I started the winter preparations for my boat. Well, we are still probably gonna do 1 or 2 sailing trips on the coming weekends, but yeah, I rebuilt the stand for my boat. So the old one, well, it didn't fit my boat because it was made for another boat, a little bit smaller, and the hull shape is not the same. In the past, I've had to put some, pieces of wood boards to the sides to fit the boat there, to keep it steady. And also the old one was really in bad shape. It was starting to rot and stuff. The old one was made in about inch thick plywood. I did the new one. I used the scrap plywood that was left from the interior build. So I glued them together with epoxy and some screws. And I think it came pretty good. Before I launched my boat this year, I tried to cut the form right for the plywood. Kind of I took a lot of measurements, and so I hope it fits, and I hope it withstands the weight of the boat. Well, most of the weight is gonna come to the ground through the keel, so that's not a problem, but still, yeah, we're gonna see. For the next video, I thought I'm gonna do kind of a Q&A video. So there's been a lot of questions on the comments on YouTube, various things about my interior boat build, and also some questions about the motor. So I thought I'm gonna do kind of a Q&A video, the next one. So if you have any more questions that you wanna get answered, leave the questions below on the comments, and I'm gonna check them out. And next week I'm gonna do the video with the answers. And also I'm gonna reveal the big new plan that I purchased a month ago or something, and it's gonna be a big one. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and see you soon on the next one. And remember to put the questions below. Thanks, bye bye.